Presenting Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop in color platinum grey. It comes with Windows 11 OS and weighs only 1.7 kilograms. Powered by 10th Gen Intel Core i3 processor, this Lenovo laptop handles all important tasks easily. The processor has 2 cores, 4 threads and 4 MB of cache memory. All these combined with a 4.1 GHz max boost facilitate smooth multitasking. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home Edition operating system and comes with MS Office Home and Student 2021. With maximum support for 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, the Lenovo laptop allows excellent multitasking without any load. This, combined with integrated graphics, renders smooth pictures. The Lenovo laptop comes with 1 TB of HDD storage to offer good space to store your important files. The laptop draws power from a 45 Wh lithium polymer battery that gives decent battery life of up to 8 hours. There is also rapid charge feature that charges up the laptop up to 80% in just 1 hour. The 15.6 inches Full HD display gives this laptop a vast screen area for an immersive viewing experience for work and play. The screen has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and comes with anti-glare coating. The dual 1.5-watt HD stereo speakers setup with Dolby Audio delivers immersive audio. The laptop has 720 pixels built-in camera with privacy shutter. The laptop sports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with 3 USB ports and 1 HDMI port. The box contains the laptop, user manual and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.